Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to The Inner Voice. So,
Inner voice.
Yeah, now
The inner voice.
you know what it is.
Now I know what it is.
So today basically we're doing two truths and one lie.
Okay.
Yeah, two truths and one lie.
One lie. Ah,
No, but both of us have to say basically two truths about us
Uh-huh.
and one lie about ourselves.
perfect.
So if you get it right, you win, you get a point. If I get it, I get a point.
Okay.
Simple as that.
So,
Do you want me to start or are you going first?
go first.
Okay, let's go. So first, the three sentences are here.
Okay.
I have been to Makkah.
Okay.
I have been to Islamabad.
Okay.
I have never recited Surah Bayyana.
I've been to Makkah is a lie.
I have been to Makkah is a lie.
Is a lie.
That's correct. I've never been to
You've
Makkah.
never been
Yeah.
to Makkah. 1 point.
1 point for you.
Lovely. Okay. Is there any punishment at the end for the loser?
Yeah, there is a punishment.
Oh, okay. So it's a surprise.
Yeah.
Okay. Even I don't know.
So it's in, that's why.
2 truths, 1 lie. Uh-huh.
Come on.
I've been to Karbala. Okay.
Okay.
I've recited Surah Baqarah in 1 day. And I've been to Qom.
Oh wait, has he been to Qum? I don't think he's been to Qum. You've not been to Qum, have you?
Why would I tell you?
I think you've never recited Surah Baqarah in 1 day.
Yeah,
So
I've
that's
never recited
yeah.
Surah Baqarah in 1 day.
That's correct.
It's
Okay.
long, yeah.
Now we're entering the pitch.
So it's 1-1.
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually supported Manchester United when I was a child.
Okay.
I'm not scared of heights.
Okay.
I love reciting the Quran. Which one is the lie? See that?
You're not scared of heights is a lie.
That's not the lie.
Oh my god, what's the lie?
I was never a Manchester United fan.
Oh my god.
You thought I was a Manchester United fan?
I thought when you were a child, the way you
No.
said it. I actually used to play striker when I was younger instead
Okay.
of keeper. Okay.
Possibly.
I am scared of heights. Okay.
I think you are.
Oh. And I love the ocean, man.
Okay, that's a bit difficult right now. Because I think the first one could be a lie.
Oh.
I've never seen you play like up there.
Oh.
I think the first one is a lie.
No, it's true. I used to
Oh,
play ocean
no.
when I was young. I'm
So
really
sad.
scared of the ocean. I don't love the ocean.
So it's still 1-1. Okay.
What on?
Let's go to the next one. I actually want to include you in the invoice team.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Second one.
Uh-huh.
We have just bought a ring light.
Okay.
And the third one. I actually have 3 phones.
You actually have 3 phones is the lie.
It's not the lie. I have 3 phones.
Oh,
It's
so
a
you-
small button phone. Yeah.
Allah Akbar.
Even Nazir doesn't know that.
So you don't want to include me in the universe team?
Yeah, I know what you
Allah. Straight to the face. Wow.
Sorry about that. Yeah, but of course you participate and
Allah.
in the team.
Okay. It's fine.
It hurt him.
Yeah. Straight to the face like that. It's fine. Wait.
Yeah, guys. Today I'm being honest. We're not including him in the invoice. You're not welcomed here.
Allahu Akbar.
Bye bye.
It's
See you
fine.
inshallah. No, I'm joking.
Khudafis.
Let's continue the video.
Okay.
Okay,
Wait.
your turn.
I'm a United fan. Okay.
Uh-huh. I mean, obviously, you can see from the face.
From the face. How can you see from the face that I'm a United fan?
You look like a loser.
Allah.
No.
We just beat Luta. It's fine. Okay. Wait.
Copenhagen, we saw it.
It's fine. 1 game. What was the first sentence I said? I'm a United fan.
Yeah.
100%.
100%. He's thinking about the lie.
I'm thinking a lot.
But he doesn't know how to lie.
Thinking
That's the thing. Yeah, I'm a good liar, to be honest. Although it's a bad thing.
Don't flex bad things.
Yeah.
I've been to Baghdad,
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
and I think you're an amazing striker.
No. I think the third one. Yeah. He's taking revenge. That's bad.
That
I'm not even a striker. I'm not a striker.
That was straightforward. I don't know why I just said that.
I
It
knew.
was too easy. 2-1.
Anyways.
Okay. I have to make this a bit harder.
Yeah, so I'm winning right now. Yeah?
Yeah,
But
2-1.
let's continue.
I'm gonna get back. Wait, 2-2. It's gonna be 2-2
Let me tell
easily.
you. Let me tell you. You know the city of Isfahan in Iran, yeah? Have you
Yeah,
heard of it?
I've heard of it.
I've never been there.
Okay.
Okay, second one.
Mm.
I actually never played table tennis with a proper player.
Okay.
And the third one, I'm a very good FIFA player.
You're a very good FIFA player, is the lie.
Yeah.
100%. We all know that.
He knew.
We all know. Okay.
He knew it.
Sawa, not bad. So
Yeah.
it's 2-all.
It's 2-1.
2-2.
He guessed it right. What do you mean we all knew it? Like, that's embarrassing. How do you all know it? I'm actually a very good player. By the way, if you're watching this video, Zamin, I beat Zamin. Me and Muzammil versus Zamin and somebody else. We beat them.
Yeah, Muzammil probably.
No, it
beat
was
them.
me. It was, of course
Yeah,
it
you
was
were just holding the controller. Muzammil gave you a controller that wasn't connected.
It was me, literally. Anyways,
Okay, higher.
it's 2-2.
Higher. This point I'm getting. I mean, you're not getting this point. Wait.
I'm getting.
I've been to London.
Hmm. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. you win. I know he's been.
Have I?
You haven't you?
Have I? That's
Okay.
the question.
He's
Where
fine,
in
he's
England did I go?
Southampton. But did you go to London also? I don't know. Continue.
Okay, I've been to London.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Let's see the other lies and then we can decide.
I started playing football properly in 2019. Before that, I only used to play cricket. Okay.
2019, huh?
Okay. 2.
2019? But,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
I don't know. That could be
And I've been to Medina.
That's a difficult one. He's been to London, I think. Did you say I've never been to London, yeah?
No, wait, I said I've been to London.
You've been to London. No, you said you've been to London. I don't think that's a lie, because you have been. You have not been to Medina, I think. Yeah, I think the third one is a lie.
No, it's true.
What?
I've been
What was
to
the lie?
Medina. Huh?
What was the lie?
I started playing properly in 2018, not 2019.
So, oh,
1 year. 1 year difference.
that was a lie.
That was
Oh, actually. 2019, yeah, that's very recent.
very recent.
Makes sense.
Yeah, you see, you have to be very, very like specific.
Bro said 2019, 2018. Yeah.
Very
It's close
specific.
though. It's close. It's close.
I'm not
lie.
giving you points.
It's still 2-2 though. Yeah.
2-2, yeah.
Okay. This one is about inner voice.
Okay.
We have uploaded over 150 videos.
Allah.
Okay.
Okay.
Second one.
Oh.
We have above 505 subscribers. Okay. You
Okay.
can't check. And the third one, our first video came in 2019. Which one is the lie? See, that's what you call a psychologist.
It's,
I think even easy. Wait, the cameraman is helping.
he's helping. I've not even seen what he said. Wait.
Oh, he said something. I saw.
I think the third one is a lie. You uploaded your first video in 2019 is a lie.
That's true.
So I get a point.
Yeah. Oh no.
So I win.
Wait. I started first, yeah. So you have to still go.
Do you know IPL team?
Some of them, yeah.
Okay. Okay. I support Bangalore in IPL.
Oh, okay. Real. Uh-huh.
Support Bangalore in IPL. I have been for a proper first aid course. Okay.
This is tough right now because I don't know you that much. Yeah.
And,
You might have. So okay.
I love pizza.
I think he loves pizza. That's true. I think. Wait. Tell me your favorite teams in IPL.
Why would I tell you my favorite team in IPL?
Apart from Bangalore.
I won't tell you my favorite teams in IPL.
Okay, I think first 8 course. Have you? I think the second one is a lie.
No, it's true. I haven't been. It's not, I wouldn't say proper, but
Oh, you've been
with
to
a
like
team.
first 8 courts.
With a team, yeah, with like a football team.
So what does that mean? I've lost this.
You've lost it.
No.
You've lost it. It's gone. It's over. Okay, guys. So this is the punishment for losing. I have to throw a glass of water on my good friend Ibrahim. It's his call, not mine. He's the owner of the Inner Voice.
Yeah, I'm still the
So,
one.
so that's the punishment. And
Go on.
let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my. Oh my.